Today, we will continue our Microsoft Word tutorial. We have a Word document with some data in front of us. By clicking Insert and then Table, and then Excel Spreadsheet, you can insert an Excel table into your Word document. Here, Microsoft Excel opens, where you can insert formulas into the Excel table. For example, let's enter some numbers like this. Then, by clicking Auto Sum and pressing Enter, the formula will be applied as it does in Excel. However, you can't apply any formatting to this table. For example, changing the color to red won't affect the table. You must double-click the table to change the color in Excel. Similarly, to change the numbers, you must double-click in Excel. You'll notice the formula values change automatically when you change the numbers. This way, you can take advantage of Excel's properties within Word, and create the desired formulas inside the table. By clicking Insert, then Table, then Convert Text to Table. For example, to convert this text into a table, select the text, then click Convert Text to Table. Here, for example, enter 2 in the number of columns, then click OK. A table will be created, and all the text will be in the first column. If you want to split the text into table columns, here, for separating text at paragraphs, commas, tabs, or others. For example, leave it on paragraphs, and click in the text to make it 3 paragraphs. Then select the text, click Insert, then Table, and Convert Text to Table. Choose paragraphs and write 3 for the number of columns, then click OK. A table will be created, and the text paragraphs will be distributed into 3 columns. If you enter 2 for the number of columns and click OK, the 2 paragraphs will be distributed into 2 columns, and the third paragraph will be in the second row. If you enter tabs, for example, entering 4 tabs, select the text, then click Insert, Table, and Convert Text to Table. Notice here that tabs were automatically selected, because tabs were inserted between the text, and 4 was typed for the number of columns according to the tabs. A table will be created, and the text will be divided into 4 columns, based on the tabs that were selected. By clicking Insert, then Table, then Draw Table, and clicking here, a table will be created like this. Click like this to create rows in the table, and also to create columns in the table by clicking like this. Pressing Escape will exit the table drawing mode. By clicking Insert, then Table, then Quick Tables, to insert ready-made tables in Word. For example, by clicking Calendar to insert a pre-made table. The calendar is inserted inside the table when you place the cursor inside it. To insert the calendar outside the table, position the cursor outside like this. Then click Insert, Table, Quick Tables, and Calendar. You can edit it and change the desired design. You can choose one of the other ready-made tables like this. These tables are useful for your work, and you can edit and modify them. And that concludes our explanation of the Insert Table menu. We'll stop here for today and continue in future videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe. For more, visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.